Korah was an individual who possessed the utmost valuable wealth on the face of the earth. For a multitude of individuals, treasure in terms of ownership is perhaps something they have desired throughout their lives, but have never possessed to the same extent as he did. The Almighty says, "So he came out before his people in his adornment." Certainly that decoration is highly noticeable. Individuals remarked, "Oh, that we had received something similar to what was given to Korah." This is the perspective I mentioned previously. In other words, an individual who relies on material possessions, disregards the limited and diminishing nature of materialism, has faith that they will discover happiness in it, and strives for lastingness within it. In the Quran, Allah the Almighty mentions, "But he leaned towards the earth with numerous hopes, aspirations and expectations that seemed to have no end." Because think about it, can a being within human existence, harboring infinite expectations, fulfill its infinite expectations in a limited environment like this earth? Infinite expectations cannot be met with limited existence. But what if he thinks he can handle it? What happens if one believes? What happens if one thinks that way? That's how it goes. What happens if one deceives oneself, misleads oneself? Thus, directing one's attention towards the earth with boundless anticipation is equivalent to having the ability to perceive illusions. The majority of individuals succeed in expressing themselves, articulating their thought system and conveying their intricate web of ideas. Most of us are able to do this, so we can turn towards the earth with such an expectation, and this is obliterating our awareness. Starting from that moment, we are gradually forming a conscious perspective on our own future and the impact of our actions.